Child-friendly spaces for especially for children, giving them a protecting environment where they can rebuild morally, socially, and physically. I'm very much thankful to Ireland people because they feel pain of children. Now, they are living very far from here, from Pakistan, but there they felt pain for these people, for our people, for our children. Before child-friendly space, children were fighting each other, wandering here or there. They were involved in criminal activities, in drugs. So now in child-friendly spaces they are a little bit better, but here tents life is too hard. I really feel sad because no education facilities. But this is a little bit support because when they were here, there was enough space to play, to share each other with, enjoy with friends, the company of friends. They build their skills through puzzle games, problem solving skills, and through physical activities. They grow physically, morally, and socially, and creative activity. They can express their feelings. I observed a child lost his dog in flood in water. So child draw a picture of that dog, and he was happy that here is his lost dog. And when children feel happy, I also feel happy.